Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about batch leads, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find the property owner phone number in batch leads? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to get the phone number to a property owner anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're a real estate investor or maybe a wholesaler, sometimes you're cruising around the neighborhood and you see a specific property that has a lot of potential, so you want to get in touch with the owner. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your batch leads dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my batch leads, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to get the phone number for a property owner, here on the left side, you're going to click on property search. Once you do that, you want to go ahead and enter in the address to the property. So let me go ahead and just type in an address. All right, once you type in the address, go ahead and click on the address. Okay, once you click on the address, it's going to give you more information about the owner, but you want to look for this blue line right here and click on property details. Once you click on property details, you're going to see the phone numbers, but they're going to be blurred out. So what you're going to do is click on here, save to view. Once you do that, you do need to add them to a list in order for the property owner phone number to appear. So let me go ahead and just add them to my favorites, and then you're going to click on save. Okay, once you do that, it's going to show all of the phone numbers that Batch Leads has potentially for that property owner. You can see for this property, it just has the one right here, but a lot of times it's going to have multiple phone numbers. So you're going to have to call through all of them. Some of them are going to be correct. Some of them will not be. Also, if you're really motivated, sometimes they're even going to include email addresses that could be associated with the property owner. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to get the phone number to a property owner using batch leads, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.